Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Eclipse as well as the Java 1.8 JRE. So first we're going to go to Eclipse's website, and I'm going to have all of these links down in the description box for you guys. So what you're going to do, just go to this link and then you're going to click download 64-bit or 32-bit, whatever kind of machine you have, and then just click download. As you can see, it's going to start the download. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again, but I will show you guys what to do once it is downloaded. So once you've got this downloaded, you can double click on the Eclipse installer, and this is a tool that lets you install a bunch of different tools from Eclipse, but the one we want is the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. They have a bunch of different ones for different languages, so if you want to expand and use something other than Java, feel free to explore those. But for now, we're just going to click on this, and in here you can play around with these. You can also change where it's installed. I typically just leave it as the default, and then just click install. The next thing you're going to want to do after you have Eclipse successfully installed is you're going to want to download JRE. And what that stands for is a Java runtime environment, and you're going to need that to run any Java code. So here, this link's also going to be included down in the description. Basically, you're just downloading the JRE from Oracle. They're the company that maintains Java. Yep. And this at the bottom, at least it looks like it's the most up-to-date one, so I would advise doing that. And then you just have to find your operating system and the one that you want to use. So yeah, just click on this. Well, first you got to accept the license agreement, then click on the download link, and then everything else after that will be pretty self-explanatory. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped. My next video is going to be how to do a simple Hello World program in Java. And yeah.